Imagine your Chrome browser turning into a personal AI assistant, helping you write emails in seconds, summarizing long articles, generating images, and even predicting what you'll type next. These aren't science fiction, they're real AI-powered Chrome extensions you can install right now. Stick around, because number 3 will make you feel like you've stepped into the future. Today, we're diving into 5 AI Chrome extensions that will blow your mind. Tools that can save you hours every week, boost your productivity, and give you abilities you didn't even know were possible. Whether you're a student, business owner, or just someone who wants to work smarter, these extensions will change the way you use the internet. Let's jump in. First one is Compose AI. If you've ever stared at a blank screen, not knowing how to start an email or report, Compose AI will be your new best friend. It uses AI to autocomplete your sentences, suggest better wording, and even rewrite entire paragraphs in your style. You can literally cut your typing time by up to 40%. And the best part? The basic version is 100% free. Try writing, "Hi John, just following up," and watch it instantly suggest the rest of your email. But what if your work isn't just about words? What if you need visuals too? Merlin. This one feels like magic. Press Command plus M on Mac or Control plus M on Windows, anywhere in Chrome, and a ChatGPT box pops up, ready to answer anything. You can generate code, get instant explanations, rewrite text, or brainstorm ideas without opening a new tab. It's like having ChatGPT built into your computer's DNA. And here's the wild part. Merlin can even help with SEO research, LinkedIn networking, and online learning, all while you stay on the same page. By the way, if you want to take your productivity to the next level, I recommend the Logitech MX Master 3 S Mouse. Its programmable buttons make switching between Chrome tabs and extensions lightning fast. I've added the Amazon link in the description so you can check it out. Third one is Scribe AI Process Recorder. This one is mind-blowing if you train teams, create tutorials, or document processes. Scribe records your screen while you perform a task, then automatically turns it into a step-by-step written guide with screenshots. You won't believe how much time this saves. Something that might take hours to explain can now be shared in minutes. Perfect for onboarding employees, creating software guides, or helping clients. And yes, the basic plan is free. 4. ChatGPT 5 for Chrome by ChatGPT Writer. You know ChatGPT 5, the AI brain that can write essays, code, scripts, and more. But imagine having it inside your Chrome browser, ready to help you on any website. ChatGPT 5. Writer lets you write emails, social media posts, and replies directly in Gmail, LinkedIn, Twitter, all without leaving the page. This might surprise you. It even works on messaging platforms, so you can draft professional responses instantly. Plus, it's completely free for basic use. Just highlight text, right-click, and choose Ask ChatGPT 5. And boom, your AI helper is on the job. And if writing isn't your biggest problem, maybe you'd rather have AI that can read the internet for you. Fifth one is Wiseone AI Reading Copilot. Ever clicked on an article and thought, wow, this is way too long? Wiseone is like having a personal speed reader inside Chrome. It can summarize articles, explain complex terms, and even fact-check claims in real time. You won't believe this. If you're reading about something technical, like quantum computing or cryptocurrency, Wiseone can simplify it without losing accuracy. It's perfect for researchers, students, and anyone who wants to learn faster without information overload. But reading and writing aren't the only superpowers AI can give your browser. So, those were 5 AI Chrome extensions that will blow your mind. ChatGPT Writer for instant responses, Wiseone for smart reading, Merlin for ChatGPT Anywhere, Compose AI for faster writing, and Scribe for instant guides. Install even 2 of these, and your productivity will skyrocket. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want more AI tools that can change your life, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want, I can also prepare a matching SEO title, description, tags, and thumbnail concept, so this video ranks well and grabs clicks. That would complete your full upload package. Here's your full high retention script, tailored for a 6 to 8 minute faceless YouTube video.